Time to validate the first name and last name inputs on our form. So to do that, you'll be delighted to hear that a way I found is quite straightforward. So what you do is, in here in the input element, in the start tag, or just inside the input element, we're going to put in a attribute called onKeyUp. Now this onKeyUp, in fact, can be a number of things. I could put onKeyDown, I could put loads of different things, but basically when a key is released on the keyboard, it will be detected using this onKeyUp attribute. Once that's detected, I'm going to call a function and I'm going to call it onlyLetters. OnlyLetters. And I'm also going to provide a keyword in here, a kind of an argument, if you like, or parameter really, and it needs to be called this. So we have to use this keyword because what this is saying is that when we detect the key pressed, we want to do something for this input. We want to do it specifically for this input. So that's all I need to add in the HTML, and I jump over to my JavaScript now to create my letters, I should say, onlyLetters function. So I have nearly ready to rock and roll here. Function stop user from entering numbers, special characters. So we'll create our function here, function onlyLetters. And we're going to start our open curly bracket and closed curly bracket. So what we need to put in here now is I'm going to put in a variable called RE, which stands for regular expression, a bit like down below here, but whereas this was for an email syntax, this time I'm going to use an only characters one. And the one I'm going to use is, let's see here, 1 second. Yeah, it's a bit unusual. So / again, square bracket. And then we're going to put in what's known as the caret symbol, CARET, A to Z. And outside of that, then we're going to finish off the /. Then we're going to put down the characters G for global variable, I indicating that we're also going to make this allow for capital letters. That's what the I does anyway. And semicolon then to finish that off. Now, the next bit is nearly a bit like Python. We're going to say here, don't forget to finish off your function and to take in the argument there. So this keyword back here, where are we gone again? Yeah. So for this input, when we pass something, whatever we pass, whatever letter that the key press is passed, and I'm going to call that up here char, short for character. So take a character from your keyboard, and down here I'm going to go char.value. So whatever that value is, so we're going to check it now, char.value dot replace. If we need to replace it, let's see, what do we need to replace? Well, we need to check if it conforms to our A to Z. If it does, nothing will happen, but if it doesn't, we want to get rid of it straight away. So let's run that and test it out. I go in here, make sure run or refresh that my page. So I'll put in a number here straight away, number 5. And that didn't work for some reason. I wonder, did that refresh? No, okay, I made a slight error there. I could have put in something wrong. Caret, shared without or replace. And that all looks okay. Oh, onlyLetters. Look at that. So you need to be careful even calling the function names onlyLetters. So again here now we refresh this. Now we go to put in a number. And straight away the number disappears there. You can't even put in any character other than text. I put in text. So Pat, put in the number 6. The number 6 automatically disappears. bye-bye to it. And I also need to apply that to last name because we only want letters. So all I have to do is I have my function now created. So there's the function created, and I just jump back to my HTML page, and I'm going to copy this line here again on key press. Where is it again? There we go. On key up. On key up. I'm going to copy that. So the attribute is on key up, and the value is only letters function that I want to call, and this keyword applies to this input. So copy that and fire that in there as well for the last name input element. And that I'll just run it again. I keep doing that for its habit. Refresh the page, and now we'll go again. Terry, and let's try and put in a number. 6, 7, nothing there, no good. Jackson with 5, 6, 7, or you won't get 007 in now. So as you can see, that is now verified, and great stuff. That's the first name input element and last name input element of both of type text are now validated to prevent anyone entering anything other than text characters.